Lady love, this woman, she's like a blessing from above. Got to let them know that.
Talking about you, might as well I tell you by the thoughts that I've been hiding. A list so long I hardly know where to start.
Lady love,
don't be offended if I tell you you're a hell of a kind of woman, and you do something special to my heart. I see you as a queen and a lady. No ifs, no buts, no maybe. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb. Okay. Keep up as the same, queen and lady. Keep the standard steady. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb.
watch out. This man won't on the everyday. This ain't woman reminiscing. Old man she been missing. Committing the ultimate sin. When are you make entrance with safekeeping? Every single thing. When me think you left the boy, can you still there with him? Seeking around privately meeting. Must you tell yourself that don't be sleeping? Show me love you so much I mean no want do nothing. I'm going to put you on the manners with sweet discipline.
And now let me tell you what joy it is to have you. And no two people in the world could be the same.
Lady love,
you provide me with inspiration. I know I'm in the right direction. You're always there, come sun, come rain. See you as a queen and a lady. No ifs, no buts, no maybe. The only thing sweeter than my honeycomb. Leave the pies the same, queen and lady. Keep the standard steady. You're the only thing sweeter than my honeycomb.
Can't watch the finance, things are on that balance. Through the dice of the Lord we shall find our bread. Baby love don't make the lack of funds get to your head. What provide is enough, you have no reason for bed. You are my girl now, let's move on ahead. I've got plans for you, so much we got to do. No make no man bust a salary, no idiot tackle. Cut the chart.
Might as well I tell you by the thoughts I've been hiding. A list so long I hardly know where to start.
Lady love,
don't be offended if I tell you you're a hell of a kind of woman, and you do something special to my heart.